Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by patting your salmon fillets completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Next, season both sides of your salmon generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For best results, select fillets that are roughly 1 inch thick, as this size cooks most evenly on the stovetop. Now let's get our pan ready. Grab a heavy-bottomed, oven-safe skillet, like a cast iron pan, for excellent heat distribution. Add about 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it shimmers, indicating it's hot enough to create a beautiful sear. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook them undisturbed for about 4 minutes to get that perfect crispy skin. Then, reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, flip the salmon and cook for just 1 to 2 minutes more until it easily flakes with a fork. Once your salmon is perfectly cooked, transfer it to a plate and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period is super important because it allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fish, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Then, serve your delicious stovetop salmon immediately with your preferred accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.